with those symptoms. And basically, the diagnosis of a clinical depression is really a diagnosis when the function deviates from what is appropriate and expected. And here are the examples of this deviated function level. Broken marriages, destroyed property, inability to work, inability to attend to daily routine, and in some cases, unfortunately, suicidal attempts and accomplished suicides. And in fact, in some types of mental disease, and more specifically in bipolar, manic depressive illness, the rates of accomplished suicides is about 15%. And that's a staggering number in itself. So those are manifestations of behavior which results from untreated and poorly diagnosed depression.